Okay, listen, don't skip this. Click the link in the description because once you see it, you'll wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. So here's the deal. This product has been everywhere lately. Not because of gimmicks, but because it actually performs the way you'd hope. It's smooth, it's solid, and it's so easy to use that you'll feel comfortable with it within minutes. But here's the part I didn't expect. It's way better in real life than it looks online. The design feels high quality, the experience feels effortless, and honestly, it's refreshing to find something that doesn't overpromise. If you want something dependable without the hassle, something that feels premium without being complicated, this is it. Trust me, give it a try. You're going to understand exactly why people won't stop talking about it. Hit the link, check it out, and thank me later. Stop scrolling. Seriously, if you don't Okay, listen, don't skip this. Click the link in the description because once you see it,